Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog video. As you all know, it's your girl Miss Ashley and you are tuned into the Queen Crown channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the amazing benefits of papaya for the skin. As you all may know, papaya is loaded with antioxidants as well as enzymes. Papaya is also known for promoting weight loss as well as lowering blood pressure, and it's also known for being anti-cancerous. Now as you all can see, I have my papaya laid out here. I already went ahead and scraped out the papaya seeds. I'm going to go ahead and scrape out a few more of these seeds that I have here as I get my papaya ready for my skin mask. So stay tuned to the end of this video where you see me prepare my papaya for my face. All right. See this? So beautiful. All praises to the Most High. Guys, I am back and thank you for staying tuned all the way to the end of this video, and we about to get ready and prepare this papaya to our face, honey. Look at my son in the background, y'all. I'm like my children are funny. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my face as well as prepare it all under my neck and my hands too. So we're not gonna miss no spots on our body, honey. We're gonna get this papaya all over. So like I was saying in the earlier scene of this video, papaya is well known for its anti-inflammatory as well as it's known for exfoliating the skin and dead skin cells, honey. So we want to make sure we get this all over our body and all over our skin. And papaya is also known for evening out the skin tone as well as treating acne and dark spots. So definitely get you some papaya for your skin, honey. If you haven't already, make sure you do so. All right? Thank you all for making it to this part of the video as I go ahead and close out everything. What you all think about me making a video where I add this papaya to my hair? I think I might have to make a video like that too, but we'll see. Thank you all for staying tuned. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and peace out until next time. Bye bye.